Talleres Industriales S.A. presents Generating Progress. Our mission to transport 3 gigantic generators from the Panama Canal to an island in the Caribbean.
Hi everyone, I'm Kassem Dabaje, electrical engineer and project manager at Talleres Industriales Panama. Today I'm working on one of the most challenging projects I've ever faced. These huge engines once belonged to another customer, and our work here was dismantling the full units and transport them to this place.
The huge generators first traveled by land to what we call LP7, adjacent to the Panama Canal.
To this place, which is we call LP7, loading point 7, because at the beginning there were many options. This was the most secure one.
The sheer size of the generators involved a lot of players in this project.
Okay, to be honest, the most challenging part of this project is that it does not only involve our company, but the whole country. Because at one point, we have to close roads, reinforce bridges. So we need to get permit from a lot of authorities in Panama, governmental, private, because as you can see, these engines are more than 7 meters tall, 5 meters wide, and 12 meters long. So it does not only involve us, but so many parties, and I have to deal with all of them, and any mistake could be a problem for the whole country.
This project for Talleres Industriales is one of the biggest ones this year. Well, here there is not one only important task we can do or one step that is more important than the others. There are many steps that we need all our focus. For example, the moving of the first engine into the barge was one of the most important points, because it takes 1 or 2 hours during all the maneuver, because the barge movement and all the engine move into the barge, the positioning of the barge, many problems in that position. But after that, the ramp, the movement of the barge, make some of the most important points of this project.
Talleres Industriales had to employ an innovative system to lift and position each generator.
You know, whenever you think about lifting or moving, we think about cranes, but there was no crane involved here. All is done by a skidding process, like sliding all the heavy. You jack the heavy items a bit, you put some beams below, and then you start skidding step by step. Then we use a special vehicle which has active suspension, and you can go up and down in order to compensate the different weights or different pressures. With that item, we had to bring those big generators, big engines.
The magnitude of this project required all hands on deck.
This project is only possible for the help of all our skillful welders, electricians, mechanics. All together helps to move these engines into the barge.
We're just doing a heavy lift project, which is basically 3 mega engines that used to be from the canal. Now they're going to an island in the Caribbean to give power to a country. So once again, we're just breaking our own records, doing things that they're not really day-to-day. They're out of the box. So Talleres is doing, once again, the uncapable things for many people.